Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up email on Bluehost. So the first thing this we'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section and simply type bluehost.com and hit the enter button, which will actually take you into this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the Bluehost website. Of course, if you want to log in into your account and if you already have it, simply click at login button at the top right corner. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to click at get started or simply because this choice will get you to choose a plan and it's going to be a bit expensive because you will have to commit with them for 1 year. You can simply just go and buy your own domain by clicking at this domains option right here. And of course, it will take you to the page that will give you the opportunity to buy your domain from, and from there you can start and create your account with that way also. So for me, I'm just going to click at login, which will log in into my account directly because I already logged in into my account in this PC. And that is going to be my screen once I logged in into my account. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to set up email on Bluehost. And of course, if you want to do that, we can simply click on this advanced tab on the left panel. Once we click on it, that will appear for us a cPanel tab. And simply here, you will have to click on this email options and make sure to click on email accounts. Once you click on this email accounts, as you can see, you will have your domain right here, of course, your account. And as you can see, you can check the email or even click at manage to add another email if you don't want to. And simply from here, you can create another email. As I said, you can connect some devices. If you click at manage, as you can see, that will appear to you. You can check email again or free up some email storage. And that's from here, you can actually set up your email. You can even set up whatever you want in the settings, and once you're done, you can click on go back. Of course, you can check your email whenever you want. You can just go and wait until it logged in, and as you can see, you'll find your email here. Of course, you can even enter an email address that you can access from your device also, and you can even set the configuration that you would like to set up. And that will be actually it for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.